Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grebenus.
All right, welcome back, everybody. Yes, this is a little concerning, seeing that wildfire smoke from the Jericho Mountain fire. It got a little breezy today. Some gusts up to about 15, even 20 miles per hour, 26 miles per hour out at the Helena Airport, 81 degrees. Temperatures in the 70s and the 80s out there. We're in the 70s by the Jericho Mountain fire. Air quality is good. You can see the lightning, the thunderstorm activity. That a few thunderstorms built up just east of Helena, out over the big belts closer to the Smith and the little belts. Helena, it's quiet, but there's the fire. And that smoke, that is smoke, not rain, being picked up by the radar right there. And a little closer, and here's the latest. Now, after better mapping, they've adjusted the fire down to 88 acres, but that number is going to increase as we've got some pretty good burning going on right now. And that fire is not that far away from Rimini. Minnehaha Road right there, the creek. And then there's the fire up on Jericho Mountain. And folks in Rimini, I'll be watching this fire here very closely for you. I know a lot of firefighters are working on getting a containment line, but boy, there's a lot of dead downfall here in that area up on the Continental Divide. So there's a lot of fuel. So to see that smoke, not surprising, but it is concerning. Thunderstorms, Canada, down into Wyoming, and out into the plains. All right, so tomorrow will be a dry day as well. Another windy day, some gusts 20, 25 miles per hour, and even a little warmer. Getting into Thursday, the thunderstorms are back in the afternoon and the evening. Friday, some showers and thunderstorms and turning cooler. Widespread shower and thunderstorm activity through Friday into Saturday. And it's not just rain. That is snow. The pink is snow. Of course, summer begins this Friday, and we may have a little snow all the way down below 6,000 feet. So potentially, the Jericho Mountain fire could see snow Saturday night into Sunday morning. Certainly we'll see some rain, could see some snow, and we've got some showery weather on Monday and Tuesday as well. Snowfall accumulation down the divide, the higher terrain around Helena. It's mainly up by Glacier though, and up around Waterton Parks there. 40s and 50s tonight, tomorrow, a warmer day, 88 degrees, wind gusting 20, 25 miles per hour. You most likely will see smoke from the Jericho Mountain fire. Heading into Thursday, 88 as well before the thunderstorms come racing back here. Close to some severe threat. And then into Friday, the first day of summer. Here comes the cold front, showers and thunderstorms. And there's some snow in the mountains by Saturday afternoon. And again, the Jericho Mountain fire could see some snow Saturday night into Sunday.